Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you my iPhone 15 Pro Max ProRes setup and we're going to cost each component. Now I've also made a more detailed video of actually building the rig and configuring the phone to shoot ProRes footage. Link to that at the end of this video and in the description. You'll also find links to all the components in the description below. But this video is a price breakdown, and when we've got a total cost, we're going to see what we could have bought as a more traditional camera option. So the first thing we need is a rig to put all our components on. I've gone with the small rig universal cage. This will cost you £43 on Amazon. However, you're much better off buying all the small rig kit directly from Small Rig. These are the handles. That's the one with the shutter. That'll cost you £32 on Amazon. And the other shutter, so you've got both hand control, that'll cost you £26 on Amazon. You can buy a complete kit on Small Rig, save quite a lot of money. This is the component to attach the power bank. That's £24 on Amazon. Again, a lot cheaper on Small Rig. Okay, so that is going to hold it all together. We're also going to need our cold shoe plastic rig, which is on the screen now, but I'm actually using it to hold the camera that I'm filming this on. So, what do we have next? Well, we need a power bank. This is the Veja power bank. I think it's absolutely excellent, and at the moment it's only £20 on Amazon. That's the cheapest place to buy it. Link in the description, of course, has links of everything. We then need a hub so we can connect everything together. We also need an external memory source. ProRes won't work without an external memory source. This Yotto Master, you can put the SSD card inside it, which saves you another thing to connect. And the memory source is £70 and the Yotto Master was £99. So as you can see there, that's the crucial memory card that is inside. So that is our basic setup. Right, let's take a recap of those prices. I'm going to show you them available on Small Rig Direct and Amazon. So the Small Rig Universal Cage, that's going to cost you £43 on Amazon, $36 Small Rig. The shutter handle, the Bluetooth one with control, $32 on Small Rig, £32 on Amazon. The Small Rig side handle is $26, £26 on Amazon. And the power bank holder, $26 on Small Rig, £32 on Amazon. Do check out Small Rig because you might find the complete kit at a really good price that actually suits what you're looking for. Okay, I was adapting previous kit that I'd bought because I used to have the Small Rig for my iPhone 14 Pro. You'll then need the hub, the Yotto Master hub, and that was £99 on Amazon. I put inside that the crucial 1 terabyte drive, which gave me the speeds I need. You need over 300 megabits a second read and write speeds. That was £70. The Veja power bank, that's the bargain. It's £20 at the moment on Amazon. The cold shoe is £15, and the Rode mic I was using was £63. So that gives me a total of £400. Now you're asking about the phone. We're going to come to the phone in a second, but can I buy a camera standalone for £400? I think you know the answer, and it's no. What did I do? I had a look on Which, I had a look on camera review sites, and then just as you can see here, I had a mooch through Amazon. Is it possible with refurbished and renewed cameras? It might be. You might get something that can shoot 4K. But everything else is brand new, so is that a fair comparison? I did look to get the option of camcorders, but that really does take away from the fact that with the iPhone you can shoot high quality still photography and also high quality video. But again, this is 4K cameras. To get anywhere, you've really got to start. Even entry level is about £600 if you want anything with with any of the capabilities that the iPhone Pro Max 15 has. So let's add that to the equation. And with entry level iPhone 15 Pro Max, 256 gig storage, which is £1,200 in the UK. So we'll take that £1,200, we'll add it to our £400, which gives us a total of £1,600. And let's see what we can go shopping with for £1,600. Now, it's no surprises that has opened up the door. And the first camera that's caught my eye is the Sony Alpha 7. A bit above our budget. But, so if you were going to keep your phone, not renew your phone, and put all the money into a DSLR, which is something I will consider next year, rather than the upgrade, suddenly the doors are open a bit more. I don't have a definitive answer to this, and I'd love to hear your comments in the comments below. Because basically, as I say in my main video, I like to film when I have a travel channel. I like to film on my phone when I'm in public areas. I don't really like to draw too much attention to myself. Panasonic Lumix, I've seen that on the reviews. £1,500, that's a good price. Nikon, now that is just a case, so that's starting money. But yeah, as I was saying, I don't like to draw attention to myself, and I like to travel light. So I've got my iPhone in my pocket. The rig comes apart and fits easily in my bag. But when I want to film the inside of a hotel room, where I want the best quality footage I can get, I can up to the ProRes setup, which isn't very elegant. And when I'm filming, I also have a plane spotting channel. And when I'm filming on the plane spotting channel, the normal footage off the iPhone 15 Pro Max was so much superior to the iPhone 14 Pro, and that's without going to ProRes. That's just filming at 4K and 60 frames a second. How do I know it was superior? Because that footage got a lot more views than the iPhone 14 Pro footage got. And from my point of view, having that small rig cage that I can put my phone in, I can attach a microphone to it, I've got a sling, I carry that around, I can, just put it down by my side, extra pair of hands. And then when I want to upscale my footage, I can add the ProRes setup. So I think for me, I think I've done the right thing, he says. Anyway, let me know in the comments if I've done the right thing or not. And if you like the video, please give it a like. Share if anyone you know has got an iPhone 15 Pro Max and if they're interested in this. And if you want to see more videos like this, why not subscribe to the channel? Thanks very much for watching. Take care, guys.